In this video, we're going over how to transfer your contacts, pictures, and more from a Samsung phone to an iPhone. Welcome back to another video. I'm your tech guide, Wayne. In the video today, I'll be showing you how to transfer all your pictures, contacts, and more from a Samsung phone to the iPhone 14 Pro. Now in the video, I'll be using a Samsung S10e, and I'll be switching it over to, again, iPhone 14 Pro. Now, just to kind of explain where we are and how to get started. So some of you bought your iPhone, you've taken it out of the box, you've already started signing into your information, and you might be on this screen, which is the main screen. Now, unfortunately, if you're on this screen, then we have to take a step back, because to transfer your data, you have to do it during the setup process. So if you've already bypassed the initial setup, we're gonna have to reset the phone first to get back to the screen that will allow us to do a transfer. So I just wanted to explain that first. For those of you that your iPhone looks like this and you've already begun to set it up, we'll have to take a step back. For those of you that bought your iPhone and have not done any setup, you are perfect. So let me show you how to get back to that main screen, and then we'll go from there. So first, we're gonna go to settings, and in the settings, we're gonna swipe up and go to general, and then swipe up again, and we'll need to go to where it says transfer or reset iPhone, okay? And you'll need to select erase all content and settings. Now, again, this is going to erase everything on the phone, and it's going to set it up like a brand new iPhone. Now, again, this is your new iPhone, so there shouldn't be too much information that you just put on there if you just got it. Now, keep in mind, you're going to lose everything that's on it right now. So if you need to back up anything, you might need to get out of the settings and maybe email yourself those pictures or anything important, because you're going to lose everything when you do the reset. Okay, so I'm going to hit continue. It's going to ask you to put in the passcode, so let me do that right now. And then it will ask you to put in your Apple ID password as well. Let me enter that off screen as well. I'm sure you guys don't care about my password, so there you go. All right, password is entered. And by entering that passcode, it's just going to turn off my Apple ID info. And now I'm going to tap erase iPhone. And after that point, you're good. It's going to basically erase everything on the phone and then set it up again like a brand new iPhone. So we will give it a few seconds to do that. Now, on your Samsung phone, what you'll need to do is go to the Play Store, and you'll need to do a search for Move to iOS. This is the app that works in conjunction with iPhones to make sure you have a smooth transition from your Samsung phone to your iPhone. So you're gonna look for this app, Move to iOS. I've already installed it, so now I'm just gonna tap the open button to open it up. I'm gonna hit continue. I'm gonna hit agree. I always hit don't send. Wait this time. Now we'll need to connect to Wi-Fi, so you'll be swiping down from the top of the screen, just a quick swipe down, and make sure that you turn on your Wi-Fi, all right? The whole process will take place over Wi-Fi, so you wanna make sure yours is on and good to go. All right, our Wi-Fi is now turned on. Again, I just swiped down from the top and I just tapped the Wi-Fi icon to turn that on. I'm gonna hit settings, confirm that I'm connected. Hit settings again. You'll need to turn on your location. Do that, hit continue. And while we're doing this, guess what? Our iPhone is already reset and now ready for us to do the transfer. So we're gonna swipe up and begin setting up the iPhone. As you notice, my battery is low, so I'm gonna connect to power, because you definitely don't want your iPhone to die while it's doing the transfer. That is absolutely not good when you're trying to transfer your data, or you'll have some bigger problems. All right, so I'm just gonna connect my charger here. Make sure that we have plenty of power to do this. All right, so now Our Samsung phone is ready. When you see it say find your code, that means that we are ready to get our transfer started. On this iPhone, we'll need to just answer a few prompts to get it to here, which actually we're already here. So quick start. We're going to hit set up manually because we're not switching from an iPhone or iPad, so we need to do the manual process. And it will ask us to start with connecting to Wi-Fi. So I'm going to select my network and just enter that code right now. After you put that code in, it's going to connect. Okay, next we're going to answer the question here. We hit continue. I'm going to set up all this later. Create a passcode. I'm also going to do this later. I just want to get right to our transfer, which is this screen right here. So guess what? We're going to select move data from Android. And now on our Samsung phone, we're going to select continue, and we're going to hit continue on this side, and we'll need to enter this code into the screen here. There we go. They should begin to link up. And at this point, I'll need to select everything I would like to transfer. So it's asking, choose what you want to copy. And for each one, you'll have to hit allow. There we go. It'll also show you how much data each section is. So for messages, it's 13 gigs. Camera roll is 23 gigs. WhatsApp, a couple of gigs there. Hit start. I actually don't want to transfer my WhatsApp info because I have nothing in there. But for those of you that do, you hit start and follow the process there. There we go. And you can hit add files, and you can have it select any other specific files you have on your phone. I'm going to back out for now. I don't have anything else aside from what I've selected. I'm now going to hit continue. And it will begin to calculate the time and show you, okay, about how much time it'll take. This is the hard part. You need to leave the phones alone. Don't touch them. Let them sit and let this transfer happen. Now, depending on how much information you have on your old phone, this could take 30 minutes, an hour, 2 hours. So I usually recommend doing this overnight, just so that it's a time when you won't be tempted to touch your phone, and you can let them both sit together and do the transfer. If you separate the phones, more than likely you will get an error that will kick you out of the transfer, that will then make you start over again. So you do not want that. So again, do this at a time when you can afford to not touch the phone and let them sit next to each other and transfer. Now, one more thing I'm going to do, I'm going to connect my other Samsung to power, just so that I don't have to worry about it losing any battery. Making sure it makes it through the transfer. And that's it. Our transfer is complete. Hope you guys found that video helpful. Make sure you hit the like button if it was helpful. Hit that share button, and also if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.